So this morning, guys, I am going to be planting out my fruit trees, roasting 2 breadfruit. Meanwhile, well, I know it's 3 on there now, but in Jamaica, that's our little slang right there. Even if it's 1 dozen, we are roast 2 breadfruit. So right now, I'm just riding and whistling. My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to my garden family. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. A big shout out to you, my channel members. Welcome to all my new supporters. Big up to you, my loyal supporters. Thank you so much everyone that has been sharing me out. I appreciate you one and all. God bless you. All right, so let me get this one. This is the lemon, my lemon tree. So I'm actually going to put it inside here. I decided to use this container for now. So in the future, given the demand of the tree, I will uppot it. It's a dwarf variety, so it's a strong possibility it can stay in this container. I believe that this is what gallon is this again? This is I think this is a 3-gallon container. So I may or may not have to transplant it. Oopsie, let me take up this. Don't want it to get burned. Alright, so this is the, let's see if I can take this up with one hand. This is the plum, and it is going over here. This is the mulberry. It's going right here. So one on the right, one on the left. I don't think I can take this up with one hand. Alright, let me try. You know what? Let me put down the camera and take it because I don't want it to pull out on me. Alright, so the grapefruit is going inside here. Yep. Alright guys, so the soil is already prepared. I had some kitchen scraps buried inside there already. And I've added some of the chicken manure and the rabbit manure in there as well. Just make me a hole right here in the middle. So I'm just going to press the bag open. Alright, time for the grapefruit. Guys, I'm just checking if any lizards are nearby. They can just disappear. Yeah, because I'm here now. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I'm taking off the labels, but I am keeping them for so I can remember the name of the trees. Well, the variety. So I can remember the variety. Going to have to put some of this in this bucket until I'm done. Putting scraps that I buried, I'm seeing them right now. That's how way down I am in the bucket. That's how way down I am. Just pull out the plastic. Alright. The roots. Alright, so now let's do them. No, let's do the hog plum first. Then we'll do that, the mulberry. But I need to turn my breadfruit. Alright, up plum, up plum. I am so excited, isn't it? Man, oh what a day. Because I love up plum. I really, really, really love them. Oh, 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 oh. Was so much debris on top of there. Oh, okay. What's going on in here? for the mulberry. This root soup's good. Nice roots. Uh-oh. Just teasing it a little. Whoa. Looks lean up, man. Looks so lean up. Also, looks lean up. Straight now. Looks straight now. Yeah, man, that look better now. Give it a good drench. Alright, so this is where I leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until tomorrow, walk good.
What a nice place to live. Sweet